The Smoothie Diet by Drew Skutas is a 21-day diet designed to lower your overall sugar consumption through the use of fresh smoothies every day. The goal is to influence blood sugar, insulin production and sensitivity, and achieve sustainable weight loss. Does it work? Is it worth the time and preparation? And more importantly, how much weight can you lose in 21 days? Click the link in the description below this video for details. The Smoothie Diet is a repeatable 21-day diet plan designed to reduce sugar consumption and speed up weight loss. You're given a weekly shopping list for everything you'll need for the week, so you don't have to keep running to the store, a smoothie recipe guide, and a daily smoothie calendar to help plan your meals. The program lasts 21 days, not including the optional 3-day detox, and can be repeated as often as you'd like. You're going to be making a lot of smoothies over the next 3 weeks. To make the diet more convenient and practical, your shopping list is broken down per week and per smoothie. So shopping lists are included if you just want to buy stuff for one smoothie, and also includes the recommended shopping list for buying everything you'll need for the week. The recommended plan is to replace 1 or 2 meals per day with one of your smoothie recipes. The meals you choose to replace is entirely up to you. Your other meals will consist of solid food from a recommended food and recipe list. Between smoothies and your whole food meals, you'll be eating small snacks which are low in sugar or high in fiber. Don't be afraid to use the weekly cheat day to your advantage. You're going to have some sugar cravings, especially in the first week. This planned cheat day is used to help relieve mental fatigue, and studies have shown a cheat day can help stabilize important weight management hormones while dieting. Realistic weight loss expectations are around 2 to 3 pounds per week. It is possible to increase the weight loss using the Smoothie Diet plan, but it would be challenging for most schedules. Many users have lost 50 to 70 pounds after several cycles of the diet plan, with many of those testimonials up on the official homepage. The core diet plan includes 36 different smoothie recipes, with more recipes in premium packages. You'll only be drinking smoothies for 6 days per week, with 1 cheat day. So there are enough recipes to never repeat a smoothie recipe during the 21-day diet if you like variety. This guide explains the core philosophy of the diet program, and some basic nutrition information that dispels many weight loss myths and mistakes. The core guide also includes the detailed recipes and shopping lists for all the smoothies. The 3-day detox will flush unwanted toxins, and optimize many of the organs known to be helpful to metabolism and weight loss. Click the link in the description below this video for details.